Bon année. Happy New Year's to you all. Greetings. Matter of fact, it's probably still New Year's Eve, depending on what time I post this on the YouTube channel. Hope you guys are enjoying your soup jumu. Don't forget to log on to my link tree, IT Organic, and buy you a shirt, buy you a journal. The ladies, there's some dresses over there, so go and purchase. Another year. We just finished 365. 2024 was another headache, as usual, in Haiti, in regards to the politics, in regards to the insecurities and things that continue. One thing that I must say, right? I'm in the diaspora, I'm in the States, and I do look at the people who have influence in the Haitian community, and I don't really see many people doing much. I see mostly celebration. I love the celebration that was going on in the White House. Patati patata. Shout out to my guy Trump. Gemini's run the world, and hopefully they don't knock him off, and he can do the whole term. So, if you guys want, go and get you a Donald Trump shirt. I don't know, man. 2025, that energy. It's gonna be one of those things, man. Everybody is on wartime. You know, I believe 2025. If you were not someone who was already training your mind, your body, shouts out to Mucho. God first, God's first. Mucho's always saying jogging is fundamental. Work out. So yes, you're right. I gotta continuously be working out, and you as well continue to exercise, work out, eat well, because 2025 is a year of war. Huh? Will we finally see the third war? I don't know, man. I've been holding on to my popcorn, and I don't know. I don't know. Is this the year? Maybe it is. Now, 2024 just went by, right? And look at this, right? Haiti's gangs, can a foreign mission break their stranglehold, right? And obviously, that was a negative, right? Nothing happened. The Kenyans came, they just ate the money. Every time they say that, like, on CNN, they would lie and say, well, the Kenyan forces are fighting against the gang members. Bullshit. 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 It was the Haitians. And this is what was pissing off the Haitian officers even more. The Kenyan officers ain't doing shit, and they're getting paid like $1,000 a month, compared to the Haitian. A low-level Haitian police officer is making $300 to $400, $450 US a month, and then special forces, you get a little bit more, but they are the ones that are in the line of fire. Everybody else is just chilling. So, I posted this. I put this up just to show you guys, like, yo, it, it's been a year straight, nothing happened, right? It's been 3 years ever since they assassinated Jovenel, and this is, I guess, 221 years ever since Haiti, declared its independence, right? This is when we made Napoleon Bonaparte, just surrender, right? Even though they surrendered at the moment, but then they came back and charged us and made us pay money. You understand? And they forced us to pay the money. And to be honest, the country where I was born, right? Brooklyn, New York, United States of America, they also were responsible for really bankrupting Haiti, right? With Citibank taking all of the gold and the jewelry, all the shit that they do. So you got to start thinking about it, like, man, when will there be a change? Is this the change? Like, is this the year? Hmm? As the globe, is like on fire and warfare is all over. Even in Haiti, right? It's going to be all over. But will this will this be the opportunity for the country to really move forward? I don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. Yo, you guys need to try this mix. Tito's handmade vodka with a little bit of the Voodoo Ranger peach iced tea. Yo, fire. I be looking at all these products in the store, right? Voodoo Ranger and all these things. Obviously they're stealing from the voodoo culture, Haitian voodoo culture. Um, but at the same time, it's like there's no one. It's like the diaspora, the Haitian diaspora, don't really got no real power. You understand? Like, as they were complaining about Donald Trump talking about the cats and the dogs, it was the Biden administration that was actually supporting the shits that was going on in Haiti for the past 3, 4 years, especially after Jovenel's death. 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 Am I deaf? Is it death? I don't know, that TH. So, in this new year, 2025, I would like to say to you, the Haitian or non Haitian, because that's the cool thing about IET Organic. We're not only for our community, but we have associates, you know? Associate. We have associates who are present, and, whenever I need $100, they send it. So shouts out to the associates. The UN Security Council has approved deployment of a Kenyan-led force to Haiti, to help battle criminal gangs the police cannot subdue alone. Bullshit? Bullshit. The mission will need to tread carefully, both in prior planning and once on the ground, to sidestep pitfalls in its path. Bullshit? Bullshit? I tell you what, me personally, if I was not part of the Haitian diaspora, Haitian experience, and, my family was not from there, what was that? Oh shit, my battery's about to go dead. Gosh dang it, where's my other phone? Hold on, y'all, hold on. I had another phone and I don't see the charger. Let's see. Let's keep on rocking. Anyway, that's all bullshit in the article. And they pay lobbyists to feed you the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Like, in this move, the UN officials got paid, the Kenyan officials got paid, some of the low, dirty ass Haitian politicians and Haitian business elites, the corrupt elites, they got paid, you know? And the population suffers. Population suffers. What a deal, huh? Raw deal. That's what you call that. Raw dog. With nothing. Huh? No lubricant. Like right now, you ask yourself, the country shut down. So where are all these ammunitions? Like, yo, these kids, they have more they have more ammo than the police, than the military. Like, the ammo just keeps coming, flooding in. Who is continuing this chaos? You have to always ask yourself who benefits from this chaos. Because they're going to bring law and order. You see, in 2025, as these politicians and elites in Haiti start to either get arrested or mysteriously start to drop like flies, then now you'll hear they say, okay, Kenya, you cannot get the job done. You guys move over and let's see if we can help and assist. When you're looking at all these things going on in Haiti, especially in downtown Port-au-Prince, right? This right here is the cemetery. Huh? A cemetery in downtown Port-au-Prince, the main cemetery next to the stadium. Stade Sylvain 14. So it's like, yo, even the dead cannot rest in peace. They everything and everyone is consumed of this chaos, this anarchy, both in the physical and the spiritual realm. Yeah. When was it? This was probably earlier in the year. Earlier in the year, I'm handling what we handle in the occult, and I'm talking with one of the entities, right? And I'm like, yo, I don't understand. Like, how can you guys be here and you do not assist the horses, right? The shwal, which is the humans. You know what I'm saying? So I'm basically telling the entity, the spirit, the loi. It could have been Dantar, it could have been Ogu, it could have been Lingilisu. I don't need to go into detail on who it was, but I'm like, yo, why are the entities here and you're not assisting with the country? And the response, because you have to remember sometimes the entity is a spirit, part of all the elements, right? So it's something a little bit that you can't really define. It's kind of mysterious, unexplainable. But the spirit's like, yo, the population never asks for anything to help the country. Everyone asks for their own personal gain. Bullet, money, this and that. Basically, they're waiting for the population's frequency and their mentality to rise up, you know? Crazy. Back to this guy, man. Did he really understand the job that he took? Like any of you that don't know Haiti, you don't know like where he was killed at, right? This guy's house, it's like he cornered himself, right? And on top of that, like the security and everything that he had, they were given to him by his political party and, PHTK and Mateli and all this stuff. And I don't know. It's just crazy. Me personally, with this new year coming up, man, I really would like to see a little bit more justice in regards to the people who were very, very close to Jovenel Moise and betrayed him, right? Because that betrayal is serious. Very, very, very serious. So, did he understand the job that he took? I don't know, man. It's so confusing. Like, me, personally, if I was to ever be, I would never be president. It's that's a different ball game, you know? I mean, do you study political science? Are you a sociologist, psychologist? I don't know. Like, what do you got going? Jovenel, like, wanted to do something very, very productive, very positive for Haiti, but he forgot, like, all these moves, all these things he wanted to do, he was going to disrupt a lot of people's pockets. Like right now, many people who have financial wealth and who maybe benefit from his assassination, everyone's just kind of chilling and waiting for an opportunity so they can do what they got to do, and they get back to Haiti and they get back to swimming in the money. I don't know, man. There's a there's a little conspiracy. Is it a conspiracy? I'm not gonna say it's, I don't want to say that, but there's the for those of you who believe in the mystic and the metaphysical, they say like Jovenel Moise, like his spirit, right? His zombie, like it's out for like 7 years, right? So that means like for the next, well, he's already been three, so I guess like four more, 25, 26, 27, 28. So for the next like 4 more years, like it's like a straight up cleanup that's going on in the country, you know? And many of the people that betrayed him, they're gonna get theirs. And even they talk about generations to come, right? So I stay hopeful. I stay positive. I believe the country can change, will change. Uh, to be perfectly honest with you, uh, every time I would rather probably do something else with my time. Uh, someone always reaches out and says, "Hey, you haven't been posting anything. What's going on in Haiti? I don't understand this. I don't understand that. You're the one that's kind of breaking down the information. So what's up?" So I said, "Okay, we will we will continue to give the information, man." You know, Michel Mateli, man, he's someone that I really, really have. I'm not gonna say I had respect, right? I still respect Michel Mateli. He was a great musician. Um, when he was president in the country, that's when I was down there, and the country wasn't really like messed up. But he did not stand up to the corrupt elitists who were making millions, millions a week. He kind of was a little bit pussycat. So I don't know. As this year starts, I pray that whoever is going to arise as the new political leader or whatever is a very, very strong person, not weak, not a hypocrite, not a two face, and I guess not a pussycat. Right? We don't want no pussycats, and we don't need no pussycats. This is a time of war. So we need some dogs. Pit bulls or German shepherds or Belgian Malinois or Cane Corsos, but we need some dogs who can assist IET, assist the people in this new age that's coming up. Haiti is also part of Agenda 2030, and the people need to get ready. Anyway, IET Organic, IET Organic, IET Organic. Let's continue to watch this show, because they play with the people.